Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The video title is How to Withdraw USDT from Metamask to Kraken, 2025, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresher, this guide will make it straightforward and secure. First off, why do this? With the evolving crypto scene in 2025, moving USDT from your Metamask wallet to Kraken can help you trade, stake, or simply manage your assets more effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your Metamask wallet is set up and funded with USDT. Open the Metamask extension in your browser and confirm you're on the correct network, probably Ethereum, since USDT is an ERC20 token. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough USDT for the transfer, plus any gas fees. Step 2. Head over to your Kraken account. Log in securely and navigate to the deposit section. You'll need to generate or find your Kraken wallet address for USDT. Copy this address carefully. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds, so triple-check it. Step 3. Back in Metamask, click on the USDT token in your wallet. Hit the Send button. Paste the Kraken address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Metamask will prompt you to sign it with your wallet. Once signed, the transfer will process on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee while you wait. Step 5. Once it's done, check your Kraken account under the Deposits tab to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time or reach out to Kraken support. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to stay safe from scams. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Metamask to Kraken in 2025. It's easier than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.